Hello. Using QuickRows, we can normalize or standardize data, reorganizing or extracting text fragments using multiple techniques. For example, we can select and extract text fragments or words inside the cells by detecting special characters, like points, commas, ampersands, etc. This listing contains thousands of leads, including names, emails, and websites. Unfortunately, they were extracted from a dirty table, so the fields are disorganized. We will use the data cleansing function to extract each piece of information easily, thanks to QuickRows' ability to detect and extract string fragments based either on their relative position within the cell, or their content, or even their nature, for example, strings, numbers, or special characters. Let's extract the emails as first step. This task is really simple. QuickRows can detect the ampersand, so we can pull out the whole words containing such character. All we have to do is to specify it, as well as the column where the search must be made, and press the Go button. That's it. Now we have all the emails in a new column, so we can remove them from the source column. We can achieve this complex task thanks to QuickRows' text subtraction capabilities. In other words, we will remove from column A the text found in column B for each row. Perfect. Now the source column contains only websites and contact names. We will repeat the trick to extract the websites using the points embedded in them. As you can expect, the procedure is exactly the same. Fantastic! Our column C has been populated with all the websites. The next step is to remove the websites from the source column using the same subtraction operation, that is, extracting column C from column A. That's it. Optionally, we could get rid of the HTTP prefix with a simple text replace function. We insert the search text, the OR character, and the replacement text, and press the Go button again. As simple as that. Perfect. We have finished a complex problem in no time. As a bonus task, we will rearrange the contact names by last name. Inside the cells, each word or numeric string is identified with a consecutive number, either from left to right, or from right to left. The late option is useful when the count of words in the cell is variable. We can also select numbers within the cells using the sharp symbol with a consecutive number. The first one is optional. In our listing, we will use this convention. Let's allocate the last name, aggregate a comma, and the first name. This instruction will do the job. As you can see, QuickRows is a powerful tool to improve your productivity in Excel. See you in next video.